Hi, my name is Forteza. I would like to tell you about the FMC24 Pro Perimeter Intrusion Detection System manufactured by Forteza.eu. The detectors operate by using high-frequency distribution. The protection zone of the FMC24 Pro detectors can go from 5 to 300 meters. Thanks to the smart digital processing signal, the detectors are more stable and accurate. The detector's main purpose is to provide territory protection for any kind of object, like private home, warehouse, airport, solar panel, factory, or army base. The FMC24 Pro is a certified perimeter intrusion detection system with a Level 2 grading. The detectors have environmental class IV from climatic influences, according to EN 50131, which means that they are resistant to various weather influences. The detectors will not react to nearby moving objects like vehicles and various animals, as well as snow, sunshine, thick fog, and other weather conditions. The alarm will only be triggered when an intruder is detected. The intruder will be detected on the protected territory upon an entering attempt. Be safe and secure with Forteza.eu.